So, welcome viewers to yet another episode of mine, which is called as Bring Your Own Sunshine. Bring Your Own Sunshine promises to bring distinguished, prominent, and very distinguished personalities from various walks of life. I'm sure that this series is giving and imparting a lot of information to you guys. So today I'm here with Mrs. Unnati Singh, who is maestro of beauty and wellness industry. So let me send her the invitation. Hi
Hello.
ma'am. Hello,
Hi,
how
how
are
are
you
you?
doing? All good ma'am. How
Fine.
about you? Om Sai Ram ma'am.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No, not a problem, ma'am. Just it's like a matter of couple of minutes. So
Uh,
first of all, I'm very privileged and very honored to have you.
Thank you. Same here. I'm feeling in same way.
Okay, so before I get started, first of all, I would like to introduce Unnati Singh ma'am, and I know she is not requiring any introduction, but still I would attempt to make an introduction of her. So, Mrs. Unnati Singh is an international beauty educator. She is founder of Mansi Beauty Academy and Saloon. She is director of IHB Education India. So, ma'am is a maestro of beauty and wellness industry. She has given her expertise and experience for about more than 30 years. That is more than 3 decades. Ma'am is being awarded by more than 400 awards. So I think so much accolades and laurels she has already got and still counting is on. And I wish a lot of awards to ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ma'am is a brand ambassador of very big beauty brands such as L'Oreal Professional, Vela
I'm not
Professional.
the brand ambassador. I was representing those brands
You are representing, but
for
currently you are brand
education.
ambassador.
For
Yeah,
education.
yeah. But currently you are representing Framacy Italy.
Yeah, France City. Right.
Okay. Yeah. So apart from that, I think none of the fashion events and none of the beauty pageants, I think mostly all of them are incomplete without you.
Yeah, I'm blessed in that way because industry has supported me, loved me in a very big way. So I'm really blessed in that, I should say.
Ma'am, and it's always good to be grateful for all, and you're always grateful for everything.
Yeah, I am. God is great. We
Yeah,
should say that. Yeah.
yeah. But the main forte of Unnati Singh's ma'am is her innovative and creative education curriculum, which is combination of amalgam of practical things and technical expertise. And she
Right.
is expert in that.
Yeah.
And in order to give new benchmarks, she has recently collaborated with IHB Education.
Yeah, I'm India Director for IHB Education.
Yeah.
Because
And
education
I went
is always my dream.
correct. Yeah. And I think when I was having a discussion with you, so I think you were pointing about a gap between the Indian standards and the international. And your vision is to fill that gap and
Yeah,
bring the Indian system to that platform.
right. So it's just bridging the gap between national and international education.
Perfect, perfect. And apart from that, very important thing which I would like to highlight for ma'am is that she wanted to empower all the individuals who actually want to excel in beauty segment.
Yeah. So, I always love the hard-working people and the smart-working people both,
Mm-hmm.
because our work is a combination of both. It's a
Correct,
smartness with hard work. So, like
correct.
that. So, we are going to do one big bridal show also. It's a
Mm-hmm.
national,
Mm-hmm.
supported and organized by Lux Academy Pune. They
Mm-hmm.
are organizing that bridal contest, and the winner will go to Paris with me for OMC World Cup.
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's super. I mean, it's like the another level, I would say. So
Yeah, we are trying to.
getting the platform to reach into the international thing. I mean, nothing like that.
Yes. We are trying to,
Right.
because we have wonderful artists in our country, but they
Mm-hmm.
don't know where to show their work, so they are globally. So just to make
Correct.
them global, this is something really good.
Correct.
It's a very nice platform to show
Mm-hmm.
their work, how they can work, and show the expertise they
Mm-hmm.
are in the makeup, because makeup industry is very big and very
Mm-hmm.
beautiful. Indian artists, they are amazing.
Mm-hmm.
When they show their work, people are mesmerized that what a beautiful eyes they have done. Because Indian girls are also very
Correct.
pretty when they become a model.
Correct.
So it's a supportive way actually.
Yeah. Yeah. And of course, ma'am, when I was doing my bit of research on the beauty industry, I'm going to talk on beauty industry later on when we'll be talking on the things. But before, initially, I would like to talk about your journey. ऐसा कहते हैं कि सूरज की तरह अगर चमकना है तो सूरज की तरह जलना भी होगा.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है, तो आप मैम सूरज की तरह चमक रही हैं with all the success, but I know there had been a lot of hardships, lot of struggles, lot of, I think, very planned things also behind it.
Yeah.
So first of all, I would like
I
to
need
know
little
that.
correction here, Ankita. What you said, सूरज की तरह जलना है तो सूरज की तरह मतलब चमकना है तो जलना भी होगा. तो सूरज के साथ हमें डिसिप्लिन सीखने को मिलता है. कितना
जी, मैम.
डिसिप्लिन होता है सन. आप
Correct,
देखिए बिल्कुल
correct.
टाइम पे उसका सनराइज होना, टाइम पे सनसेट होना, and everything is so particular about that. Lot we can learn from sun.
Mm-hmm.
So like that.
Mm-hmm.
So like if you want to shine like a sun, you have to learn the discipline first.
Correct, ma'am. So discipline, consistency, repeatedly, वही regularly वही चीज करना. So I heard somewhere कि hours 12 का rule लगना चाहिए, repeat and regular. So वो हमको sun से मिलता है repeatedly or regularly. So ma'am,
Right.
first of all, everybody and me also would like to know your journey, some of your personal details which you would like to share, so that we know about how you have come, from what background and everything, your education also.
Okay. So, like, if we talk about academic qualification, I am BSc Bio and BEd, Bachelor in Education, and Master in Education also. Like that. Sorry. And if we talk about professional education, then I have done my all training from different part of world, wherever the good expert is there, wherever the good academy is there, like London, Vidal Sassoon Academy, one of the best academy in world for the hair. If once you start your hair training from there, you don't have to look back in your life. It's a training is designed in that. Then Tony and Gus, just I'm hydrating myself for my beautiful skin.
No. I know your schedule might be very hectic for the day.
So, like when we talk about Tony and Guys, again a wonderful academy in world that we have done. Then Charles Fox Academy for makeup from London. Then lot of good academies. Those are running in India also. They are also very very good. Like Shanaz Hussein's Academy, which was everyone's dream to come in this field. So if you go, the best product, because this is a brand which has made globally name for India. Shanaz Hussain. So like that's a lot of people at my age want to come in this industry because of Shanaz Jewelry. So that was the start, I should say, after my marriage. Because before marriage, my parents, they were not really agreeing to that I should come in this field, because I was a bright student. I was selected for medical. I should be doctor today, but my two sisters are doctor, not me. I'm a radiologist. So I am doctor for, you can say, for makeup, for hair, like
Skin,
that.
yeah, right. And I think, ma'am, this is what we learn. I mean, passion is something drives you. So it's not like that maybe even if you're good in studies, I mean, if your passion takes you towards the other thing, I mean, the parents, I think family should support it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
Yeah. So
I think you
parents
were
were very supportive. They were not against, but they said that you are a very bright student. And at our time, when in 90s, when at the start of 90s, end of 80s, that time people doesn't like this field much, because they used to think that those who are not doing anything, they are doing this. It was like that. And particular segment should also only enter in this field for the hair and all. But now things have changed. I've seen lot of doctors, engineers, and even the MBA people doing these courses for hair, makeup,
Correct.
and all like that.
Absolutely. And I think I send a lot of students abroad, ma'am, for the hair styling also, makeup also, send students to UK and this. So I think getting the overall perception, India has got a lot of good makeup schools. Abroad is also there. So I think learning is something which can be in the boundaries, out of the boundaries, but you should keep on learning for sure.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
It's a endless. Learning is endless.
Yeah.
Every day you learn something new. Even after 31 years of my career, I always think I should learn this course. Some new thing is coming. I'm always keen for learning that. So recently, the very big show is happening in Mumbai. That Style and Speak magazine organized HBS.
Okay.
It's a contest with Cosmo, like we can say exhibition also. All the brands and the products, people, they exhibit themselves, and the artists across India, they come and they participate for different categories like bridal makeup, hair coloring, haircut, nail, everything like that. And I'm invited there to just award them. I will be there on 30th for that. I'm very proud for our industry. Industry people are doing amazingly good.
That's super, super. Now coming to the back again, ma'am, how this entrepreneurship journey started and how this Mansi Academy happened?
So it's very interesting. If you see a logo of Mansi, Mansi, I is a lady. So that means man see a lady. Every man see a lady. That was a concept in my mind. So I created this logo myself. The logo is designed by me only, Mansi. So this how the Mansi just came in this world, Mansi Beauty Academy and Salon. And my husband, he was working with the central government, GST department. So he get transferred in every 4 years, 3 years, 2 years also sometime. So new city, new people, carrying my kids with me and going there and establishing my business. But it was not struggle, I should say. But yes, hard work was there, and challenges also were there because we were staying in a colony which was governed by central government. So we can't put boards and all like that. So I never used to put the board, but people used to know me in new city also. When I go, they said, "Oh, Nati ji, you are here. You were in Bhopal last time. My sister got married. You did the makeup and all." So slowly, like the sun was rising and it was coming on. Like if you say by 6 o'clock, the how sun looks. Like I was at that time. Then after 11 o'clock, and like sun was just coming up and up like that.
Correct. एंड बिल्कुल मतलब आई थिंक मानसी का आज मुझे लिटिल मीनिंग पता चला जो आपके थॉट प्रोसेस थी कि मैन सीज यू और मैन सीज हर सो कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक मैंने आई थिंक कपल ऑफ डेज बैक आई सॉ द स्टेटस ऑन योर फोन कि सुंदरता आपकी दृष्टि में व्यवहार ज्यादा बड़ा है सुंदरता से और आप उसकी कॉम्बिनेशन है मैम वो स्टेटस देखा था because I have to take your interaction. I was closely observing each and everything of you. तो आपका व्यवहार, आपका सुंदरता और किस तरह से आप उसको प्रस्तुत करती हैं, खुद एक एग्जाम्पल सबसे पहले हैं अच्छे व्यवहार की।
सबसे जरूरी वही है कि आप किस तरह से किसी के सामने आते हो तो लोग आपके व्यवहार को याद रखते हैं। आपने उनसे कैसे बात की, आपने क्या, आपका एक एक शब्द कई बार उनके दिनों में घर कर जाता है और आप हमेशा के लिए रह जाते हो वहां पर। तो ये यही उपलब्धि है। आई थिंक दिस इज सक्सेस इन लाइफ। Success doesn't mean what kind of bank balance you have. It depends, like when you are going and moving anywhere, people saying, "Oh, ma'am, you remember we met last time? आपने ऐसा बोला था, मेरी जिंदगी बदल गई." I feel very happy for that.
Actually, ma'am, a single line can transform the life of the person who is listening or watching you.
Right.
And ma'am, 30 years हो गए, 3 decades and 500,000 of students, right?
Right.
So, I mean, how do you feel about it, first of all? And still, how do you feel about your journey for 30 years, 31 years? And abhi bhi you are so passionate. Every day you start with a new beginning. You have your objective in front of you. You have your events because I told you because I wanted to interact with you. I was observing you. So every day you have an objective in front of you. So this and what next? So there are 3 combo questions.
Okay. So, like your first question, I want to answer first that how I feel about this journey, like training so many. I always feel that I'm a chosen one from God. He has chosen me for this industry, not me. He just gave that message in my mind. I picked it and I just came in this industry and I'm the chosen one. So when somebody is chosen one, the more responsibility person is carrying. So I have more responsibility on my shoulder for my industry. So I want to change my industry. I want to take my industry globally and make a mark about India. So like we are not just Indian proud to be for our culture. We are very proud for our beauty industry also. So like our industry, we can do anything for the beauty. So now you can see a lot of things every day upgrading in beauty industry. So it's very important for us to be upgraded for all those things. So I try to upgrade myself being in a different kind of beauty workshops and beauty expos, because whenever we go there we meet different kind of people from across world. Some of them they don't know even English. So English is nothing. It's just a medium to connect. Like I'm connecting with you. If I say, then also you will understand because
Correct.
we are teaching the hearing to hard girls also right now. So when we are teaching 16 girls are there, they can't listen, they can't speak, but they are wonderful. If you feel they are touched while doing facial, while doing massages and anything like that, they are amazing because they are at different level. They have that kind of we can say seva in their mind. So when they are serving somebody the service in the service industry, you should feel from heart first whenever you're giving any service. So when these girls are doing, they're learning, I'm really very happy. So language is nothing. This is a message for those people, those who want to come in this industry and want to make their signature across the world. They always think, I can't speak English, so I can't go abroad, I can't be a part of a different expo or maybe the competition. But it is not like that. Language is never stopping you because I have learned from the best of the best in this industry. Someone is German who can speak only Germany. They never speak any other language. So I have never problem with that because it's so
Yeah.
easier for So any artist when they're explaining their work, their skills comes up with their hands, with their work, with their scissor, maybe with their brushes, and with a smile also sometimes because that is again very very important.
Yeah, and I've seen the your page, and I think I would recommend everybody to see the video of specially abled girls. I think your academy is doing a lot of effort. They're putting a lot of efforts, and I think these girls are quite talented. I think once they will have that complete training, I think nothing like that.
Yeah.
So
Definitely, and we are going to certify them. The graduation ceremony will be happening on 9th of July. I will invite you in Sheraton, and so from one very big artist of world from Sweden, Joachim Rouge. He's coming for that.
okay.
Naina Karnaratne is coming from Sri Lanka to certify these girls, all of them. I have done courses for underprivileged student also, 48 student and 16 these girls. So all will be certified by international artists in Sheraton. So
That's
the
fantastic.
ceremony will be there. We will invite all of you to
Yeah.
be part of it.
Yeah.
So
Thank
yes,
you in
to
advance,
celebrate
ma'am.
these girls.
I'm looking forward to be there for sure. So, ma'am, when I was going, I was seeing the caption in your Instagram ID. I read, if at all I'm not reading it exactly, it is like knowledge is power provided you can share it, right? So,
Knowledge is power, but only when you share
but
it.
only when you share it. Thank you for
Yeah,
the correction. Yeah.
I can
Yeah,
say it
that's
by
what
heart
I'm
because
doing. Yeah.
this is something I feel.
Huh.
Knowledge is only powerful when you share it. Otherwise, then it has no power. So
But
whatever
ma'am,
you
how it
learn, what
is relevant in current context? Because what I observe here and there that people don't want to share, right?
yes.
So they have become somewhat selfish. So how much relevant you think this is there, and it should be applicable to both the business context also and the personal front also.
Right. So it is very, very important and very powerful because
Mhm.
whenever we are learning, we are choosing our academy. We
Mhm.
are choosing our trainer, our educator,
Mhm.
our mentor. Very
Mhm.
wisely, we have to take steps because,
Mhm.
like, who is going to train you is again very important. What
Mhm.
kind of syllabus it is there?
Mhm.
That is important. And
Mhm.
when the teacher or your mentor is very much ready to
Mhm.
share the power of education, to share whatever knowledge she or he is carrying, that is very important. Sometimes some teachers they are very much scared. They are scary about sharing their knowledge. They
Mhm.
think that if they will share, the other person will grow but more than
Mhm.
them, and they will be
Correct.
small. It is
Mhm.
not like that. If you are sharing your knowledge, you are only growing in that way. When your student will go in some other city, some other country, they will say, "Oh, she was my teacher. Unnati Singh taught me like this. I was her student." So it's a really proud moment for us.
Mhm.
So I always love to share whatever I have with me in an education way, in a very powerful way. And if I know somebody from the industry who is ready to come forward, and I always invite them also. Like I want to mention here one more mentor from Mumbai, Seema Jairajani ji. She is amazingly good,
Mhm.
and she is the only one in history who was selected and nominated for British Hairdressing Award this year. So it
Mhm.
was a very proud moment for us.
Mhm.
When I invited her for Global Forum, she was more than happy to come. She came
Mhm.
all the way, didn't ask for the tickets or anything. She said, "No, I want to come. You're doing wonderful things, and I want to come and be part of it." So really, she's here listening me. Anytime I want to thank her, Seema ji, thank you so much for being
Mhm.
here and coming all the way. Same with Naina ji also from Sri Lanka. She loved to spread education. She always say education is very infectious.
Mhm.
If you are highly educated, you sit to somebody else, the person will also get educated from you. Here, the education doesn't mean something which is coming from schools. Okay, because school is for literacy, it literate you. But once you are outside, that is your education. So you educate yourself more while traveling, meeting people, going to different academies, and learning something from there.
Yeah, I think, and that is going to transform the personality in a big way. And I think I was an event, I was in the event, and you were the chief guest over there, and you mentioned out that you like making your own clone. So I think that is what you were
She
explaining.
Inspired. The event's name was She Inspired.
Yes,
It was
yes,
very
yes.
good by Sheetal
Yeah,
Gadole.
yeah.
And
So you,
amazing event it was.
yeah,
Really, lot of the bunch of energy women sitting around and talking about themselves. You were there. You were very good.
yeah.
That day I found out you are a very good orator also. You speak so well.
Thank you,
So
ma'am. So yeah, that was a fantastic event by Sheeta, She Rises, and you said that you like making clone, and that actually hit me. Right. So that is really the clear message to everyone that we should be very proactive in sharing what we have.
yeah, I cannot.
Beauty sector, right? So I was doing a bit of research and I saw that beauty industry, wellness industry is somewhere around US dollars 15 billion in India right now.
Oh yes,
And that is
yes, and every day it is growing. Now
yes,
you're telling a figure. Morning the figure will add on.
yeah,
Will be
that's
different.
what.
Yeah.
And 40% of the contribution comes from saloon industry.
Yes.
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 So there is a huge
Salon industry is
contribution.
contributing in a very
Yeah.
big way. After COVID, people came to know about it more. Because in COVID time, we had one conversation with Mr. Nitin Gadkari ji, our minister. He was MSME minister that time. So like we did one this what to say Zoom call that time. Rekha Chaudhary ji, she took an initiative to do that Zoom call, and we all were part of it. That time they were surprised to know that it's a such big industry and very unorganized, I should say.
Okay.
People were not organized also because no one thought that this kind of thing will happen, and they have to feed their kids, they have to take their family forward without working, because at the COVID time it's a service industry. It suffered a lot, and lot of people they have to close down their business. Lot of people they did suicides also because that was very sad for all of us. We tried to help their family. We did lot of things that time. I should not say that we did, like God was helping us for everything and we tried to take it. But best thing happened after COVID, it became uniform and everyone came together. They came to know what is the importance of this industry and how we can organize it in a better way. So this IHB also came that time because in our industry there is no slavers. Teaching whatever they want, whatever they like that. So it is not like that. Syllabus should be always in one pattern. So if you are teaching somebody in Indore, same person, same syllabus should be taught in Jammu, same syllabus should be taught in Pune, same in Mumbai. So what will happen when the student will come out, when they will come in society, they will open their salons or they are going to work with other big chain of salon, they know how it's going to work. So there is one word called IVQ, that means International Vocational Qualification. So that is very important. Now, NVQ is different, IVQ is different. So we train in an IVQ manner because whenever you are moving anywhere, like sometimes some girl get married and goes and settle in Dubai, it's very easier for us after doing this training. So there are different certificate level and 2 diploma courses in this, and different kind of courses like nail, eyelashes. If you see the feature, women look very beautiful, but every part is playing a very different role, like eyes, lips, nose, hair, skin, everything like that. So when we put all together, there should be proper syllabus for that. So when we are learning, we should know how to do some work with any client. Before that, main thing is presentation, and before presentation is preparation. How to prepare your table. Because when you are doing makeup, it is not like that opening your kit and you're starting the makeup. It's about arranging your tray, putting your brushes in a proper way. They should be sanitized properly. Your hand should be sanitized properly, and everything should be in a proper way. If you're using coal, it should be properly sharpened at the time while using, because it's infectious if you are using one person to other person. So many things. So safety and hygiene is a very big chapter. Whenever you are learning a small course also from me, I always try to mention safety and hygiene. That is very important.
Very nice, ma'am. And I think preparation, presentation, and standardization is what you are
Yes,
suggesting. So
yes,
we
yes.
need to have a standardized beauty studies so that everybody, whenever he is there in any nook and corner of the world, they study the same things and they could apply it there itself. Very
Right,
nice.
right.
So now, what is the difference? I mean, the present sector and 30 years when you started before. So what is the difference in
There
the
is
beauty
lot of
sector?
now. It's lot of difference. Like I can see now, like that time when anybody started, it was really hard work. We were not getting product also. So buying anything, we have to go to Delhi, Bombay,
Mhm.
because metro cities they only started the beauty business, so everything was there only. So we have to travel down. If you are staying in Delhi, Bombay, then too it was not easy to going to a right person. But now things are different. When the industry came to know that Indian beauty industry is very big, then all of them they come from every part of the world. Like L'Oreal came from Paris, Vela came from Germany. So like that, all the brands came to India and they started their business doing here. So it was easier for us also. And
Mhm.
that time they used to give us education as a return gift. If you're going for any birthday party, you get return gift. Same like that. If we are
Okay.
using their product, they used to give us return gift for like education tools also, sometimes bowl, brushes, everything like that, which was really good because
Mhm.
education doing abroad is not easy. One
Mhm.
course, what we do in London, going to Vidal soon for 5 days, the course charges are 3 lakh to 5 lakh rupees for 3 to 5 days. It's very
Mhm.
expensive. That's only
Mhm.
course fee. And then travel stay, that is extra. So everyone can't afford that. And especially this segment, that time they were coming from down and coming and doing like that. Now, if you see the girl who belonged to a very good industrial party or industrialist family, also they want to become a beauty artist and they are becoming. You
Mhm.
can say they are doing like that. But
Mhm.
one thing which was always in my mind, I never did outdoor in my life. In
Mhm.
32 of year of career,
Mhm.
I never did any single outdoor makeup. Anyone
Mhm.
want makeup from me, they have to come to my salon, or I did
Mhm.
makeup on stage while teaching.
Mhm.
That is something differently I did, because if
Again,
you go
that's
to
a kind of one you can say a kind of discipline or your kind of your own pledge you have taken for something, right?
right,
So some
because I
limitations
always
or
want that
boundaries.
if you want respect, then you have to create respect in that
Mhm.
way. So it like that. So then the industry started changing. So now you see, now when they have to felicitate some people that though they are from art industry or maybe from fashion industry, they invite us, a beauty artist, a beauty makeup artist. They come and they give away the award over there. So industry is changing. So respect is more now.
Mhm.
Now the regular are featuring also in all newspaper. You can see the artist has done this work, that work, everything. But still, if you go and see, like if you want to go for a Padma Shri award or something like that, still our category is very down. Still, we
Mhm.
are doing a lot of work for that also.
Mhm.
We are going and meeting ministers, putting them in their ear that this industry is growing. Please try to put us in that platform. The one day those who are working very good, they should at least be nominated for Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan, all like that. Why only the dance thing? Any form of art is art. Even makeup is
Correct.
a art. Even dance is a
Mhm.
art. If dance can be a Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan, then why not our
Why
dance?
cannot be? Yes, 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 absolutely. It makes sense completely. And I think a lot of differences in the sector in terms of consumer also it has changed, right, ma'am? I think it was women centric previously. Now more both your I think students are both males and females equally. Is it like that?
Yes, yes, very much.
Mhm.
Because boys also they love this industry, and if you see, they have different touch and feel for this work. Actually, when
Mhm.
they're doing makeup, they want to make a most beautiful thing. They don't have jealous in mind. Same with the
Mhm.
female artists. Sometimes they have jealous little bit, you can say, but boys are not like that. So boys are very good makeup artists. So if you see in the industry, if you go to film industry, each and every male is only there as a makeup artist for the celebrities. Women are
Mhm.
not there. Women are hairstylists over there, not a makeup artist. You can
Mhm.
see the makeup industry is very different. Like how they are welcoming you in their own world. Like if it's come to Bollywood, that's a different world. When it comes to society, then it's a different world. So every world, every segment have their own plus and minus. I can say like that.
Correct, ma'am. And I think in the beauty sector, still you feel that there are certain lacunas or loopholes, and how it could be rectified. And how do you think your education or the collaboration with IHB is going to maybe rectify that lacuna in some way?
See, I'm very, very proud and very honored to be part of IHB and being a director of IHB education. I want to, on this platform, I want to say like that this is only academy, only IHB is there who is having a particular syllabus. Like I can show you here right little bit.
Mhm.
Can you get me diploma books also? So these are the books, like you can see, 2 books.
I think our
These are the
viewers can
certificate
just have a
level course.
view. Yeah, hairdressing. I could see it. Yeah, that's a book. Yeah.
Okay,
Beauty
so the beauty
treatment.
about this book is they are pictorial book. You can say the pictures. For doing anything, it's with pictures
Mhm.
like this.
So I think
So
audio visual impact is always high.
yes, so
Combining it with
and if you go for
visual.
diploma, then this is a diploma book.
Hmm.
So this is the only place, IHB, where they have their own syllabus, proper syllabus. So like whole book you will get when you're joining diploma, you get this book. So you can study for that. Like same with the beauty, if you go for the beauty, then there is a beauty book also. Beauty therapy, which is with makeup, nail and all. Hair means all coloring, perming, rebonding, doing haircut, anything with hair. It's a hair
Yeah, and I think,
dressing
ma'am, it
diploma.
is like an holistic approach. It's like complete consolidated one where you are adding your practical training with these theoretical books.
Right, very true, very true. So this is really very, very good. So like anybody coming to learn this diploma and certificate course, they are for the entire life, they are our student, first of all. So it's not like that when the course is finished, they can't come here. Again, they can come in the same class. They
Oh,
want to repeat their, yes, they can anytime after 10 years
that's
also.
right.
Yeah, I have all my students across world, they are listening here and they can tell you later,
And I
like
think
whenever I
that's a
have that course
wonderful
coming.
support to all alumni, right?
Yeah,
Of
that's
IHB.
very important because that gives them like confidence. Like anything happen, ma'am is there, and so I want to create cloning of Unnati Singh. That's why I always say they should also, when they are starting their academy, doing their things, they should be like what I did for them, how I came forward for them. They should be like that for their student also. Then the student and the education world will be very, very different. It's all about sharing.
Yeah. And I always say, ma'am, and education is enlightenment. So this
Yes,
is an
it is.
enlightenment.
It is. It is. Yeah.
And ma'am, what would you like to suggest to new talents? I think they are quite many a times they are juggling between a lot of things.
Yeah.
Doing this, there is not very
Because
much clear.
somewhere upbringing is also playing an important role in their life. The way they are brought up, like that. That depends. Like sometimes parents and mother, father both are working. So sometimes whatever the person is there, no, they are surrounded with other people. So influence in their life is very important. Who they are influenced with. So like that. So the new generation, I would want to say, I want to give a message to them. Like each and every industry is very, very respectful and good. Why only doctor and engineer? Why not a makeup artist? Why not a hairdresser? Why not a beauty therapist? You can choose your career, whatever you want. In your career, it is very important which academy you are choosing, what kind of course you are going to learn, and what will be your future. Future is not what I am saying. Future is what you are visionizing, what you want to become. Like one young girl, 17 years old, came to me and she said, "Ma'am, I want to do something." I said, "What do you want to do?" "Well, I want to do a makeup course." I said, "Why you want to do? For earning? Then I will teach you in a different." Well, no, no, no. I want to make my parents proud. Because one day they were saying कि तुम्हारा भाई ना बड़ा होकर के इंजीनियर बनेगा और बहुत हमारे लिए करेगा, तुम्हारी भी शादी कर देंगे अच्छे किसी इंजीनियर लड़के से. That hurt her. वो आई बोले, मुझे बुरा लगा सुन करके कि उन्होंने मेरे लिए नहीं बोला कि मैं कुछ करूंगी. And that girl is owning 4 salons now and she's doing wonderful.
Very
I'm very, very proud of her.
nice.
Yeah.
I think I read a book called as Ikigai, ma'am,
Yeah,
and I think a lot of viewers,
even I have read that.
yeah,
Yeah.
so a lot of viewers would have read it. तो मुझे वही याद आ रहा है कि something on which you are good at, number one, number two, something on which you can make money, right? Something you love, and something वर्ल्ड नीड्स. तो हर सेक्टर की जरूरत है, ब्यूटी हो, मेडिकल हो, कुछ भी हो, आप उसमें अगर अच्छा कर सकते हैं, आप अगर पैशनेट हैं और अगर उसमें आप पैसे भी बना सकते हैं, तो आई थिंक वो चारों
बहुत
प्रिंसिपल
जरूरी.
इंक्लूड होते
पैसा
हैं.
सब कुछ नहीं है बट पैसा बहुत कुछ है.
बहुत कुछ है.
दोनों बात.
तो आपके पैशन के साथ अगर ये चीज हो सकती है, सो नथिंग लाइक दैट, कीपिंग योर एथिक्स राइट.
Yes. Very important. Yeah.
Yeah. So, ma'am, your final words of wisdom.
Okay, I want to say, like, please, all of you, go for a right education in your life. Education play a major role in your life, in whatever segment you are, whatever programming you are doing, whatever thing you are going to learn. Because education, if you are learning in a proper way, it is easier for you to go forward and step forward and win this world. Because then you are knowing how you are going to take it forward for your earning and even for making your name, because name is again very important. Like when people say Unnati Singh, like that. So I always think like that, oh, मेरी नानी ने नाम बहुत अच्छा रखा है मेरा. So I feel good about it like that. But now my journey is just started. Like 32 years was my experience. I started my journey now. So I want to take education in a very different level and bridging the gap between national and international education. That is my dream, and ISB is playing very important role in my life.
That's what, ma'am. You are an educationist, beauty educationist, and then you are an entrepreneur. And अब आप बहुत ज़्यादा विजनरी भी हैं, तो आपका विजन बहुत स्ट्रांग है, आपके पास इसकी पूरी क्लैरिटी है, और उसमें ब्यूटी एजुकेशन में अनडाउटेबली मुझे ऐसा लगता है, बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो इन एजुकेशन सेंडिंग स्टूडेंट्स अब्रॉड, तो 20 ईयर्स से मुझे भी काम हो गए करते करते. आई गेट वेरी लेस स्टूडेंट्स फॉर ब्यूटी एंड मेकअप, मैम, कि जिनको बाहर जाना है, विजन. ऑल अदर सेक्टर्स कम्स अ लॉट. तो कहीं ना कहीं इसमें हमको और चीजें करनी है कि लोग इसमें भी बाहर जाएं या यहाँ पे रहें.
आपके कोई सजेशंस हो तो मुझे जरूर दीजिएगा.
डेफिनेटली मैम, आई शेयर फॉर श्योर. एंड आपका विजन, आपका परफेक्शन, आई थिंक इट इज कमेंडेबल. एंड दिस सीरीज ऑफ माइन, दिस एपिसोड, आई थिंक आई विल नॉट टेक इट एज एन एपिसोड, rather it's a blessing for me, because I see you as a mentor and as a at a very high regard, a huge respect for you, ma'am.
I'm
So
blessed. I'm
thank you
blessed
so
by you
much.
are saying like that. Yeah, some divine power is there who has sent you also on this platform, and the words
Right.
coming from you, I think it's
Right.
coming from God.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. Thank you so much for this heart-to-heart conversation. I started knowing more about you now, your vision and your thought process for sure. So you're a
dear.
wonderful teacher, trainer, and a visionary.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm delighted to be here.
Thank you, ma'am. So thank you, viewers, for watching me. And I'm sure there was a lot to take from this conversation. It would have been enlightening and motivating at the same time. So next time we'll be meeting very soon, shortly. Thank you so much.
Namaste.
See you next time. Bye. Namaskar.